Okay, so last time I checked, breaktheillusion.com didn't get changed to Davey Wavy on demand. I understand that you would have appreciated if he maybe posted something about Maine today, but to say that you're disappointed in the fact that he didn't, and to say that he needs to put more emphasis on gay rights, I don't think that's really a fair statement to make at all. You recently received an award from the Family Equality Council, and I know for a fact that Dave worked for them for over 2 years. So to say that he doesn't really, or come off as if he's not passionate about gay rights and doesn't put any emphasis into that is by far not a fair statement at all. And to say that he needs to put some time aside and put more emphasis into that, I'm not sure how long you've looked at his blog. I do understand that from time to time it does get entertaining and funny, but he also talks about comments of a very sensitive nature. He's had videos about coming out, videos about appreciating yourself and having confidence in who you are and not caring about how other people see you. He has done many videos over the years that are meant to be uplifting and really, for the most part, show nothing but care for people. As far as you being blocked, I really don't think that Dave went out of his way to block you, especially seeing as how your comment is, I wish you post something about Maine. I don't know if you know how Google works, but if you get enough thumbs down, your comment gets removed, and ultimately, you could also be blocked because of that. I don't think it makes any bit of sense for him to have bothered to remove you. And what's more than that is, I mean, let's be honest. Do you think that he reads every single comment that happens to come through? I think he gets a lot for some of his videos. Some of his stuff has been viewed millions upon millions of times, and there are thousands of comments there. I highly doubt that he has time to read every single one of them. So to think that he came across yours, stopped, and was so bothered that instead of him addressing Maine, it made more sense to remove your comment so no one else thinks the same thing, and then ultimately block you because of the comment, especially when you've said nothing offensive. That really confuses me. I've read comments on his blog where people say some very, very nasty, nasty things. Like, for example, you can take the very last video that he put up that was posted on YouTube all day. He had people who don't normally watch his videos comment and say some very, very nasty things. And those are still there as far as I understand. So to think that so to jump to the conclusion that he's simply going to remove you because you haven't said anything offensive, that's just kind of far fetched. And I don't mean to come across as rude, but I don't think that you're a fortune teller. I don't think that you're the next Miss Cleo. Do you have any facts behind that even happening? Or is that just your assumption and then you're jumping to a conclusion and sharing your outrage about that here? Possibly making someone look bad when you don't necessarily know what really happened. I just think that your video that you made today, while you are absolutely entitled to your opinion and no one can take that away from you, I just think that it was very, very harsh and it came from more of an emotional place than from a place where let me stop and think about this before I do it and let me make sure that I have some proof or maybe have my facts straight when I know that other people are going to see this and ultimately it's not the truth. It's not a fact. It's just an opinion. And to put that out there into the world like that, when you know that you could be affecting the view of someone else, to me, that's just not cool. And that's why I feel like I needed to respond to what you put out there into the world. Because there's really no fact behind it, and it's really not fair, and it's not an example of who I know Dave to be. Um, And that's all I have to say. You know, congratulations to you on being honored by the Family Equality Council. That's really, really an awesome thing. I have to say, I don't know a whole lot about all your different blog posts and whatnot, in all fairness, but you know, I need to respond to this because I just feel like that comment, it's a little out of line, and it's really, really unfair, especially when you may not have all of your facts straight about who Dave actually is as a person, or even in just this one particular instance. Thanks.